Well, I was fighting because I didn't even know what I was doing.
Wait, what do you mean you didn't know?
But my boss put me in that position because he knew I'd do the most damage. And if he fired me, he could just blame it on me being a girl. But, come on, I should have never gotten the job in the first place. Duh, I was underqualified. I could just die. And when you're dead,
You don't know you're dead.
it's a lot like being stupid.
Last time I traveled with a Photon, it refused to check its bags at the airport. It said it was traveling light.
The speed of light is faster than the speed of sound. That's why when you see someone, you think they are smart until they open their mouth.
What did the moon say to the sun? Hey, 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 pull up your pants. I can see Uranus.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, because subscribing makes you feel warm and squishy and cozy and fuzzy inside. So just do it!